Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide medical ID or emergency contacts on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Health. Then we scroll down and tap on Medical ID. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top corner. Then in here, we scroll down and go to the Emergency Access section and tap on Show When Locked. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So this is turned on at the moment. Tap on the Done button to save the changes. Now you can see if I go to my lock screen and if I go to emergency, I can access my medical ID or my emergency contacts detail. If I switch it off, so I'll go back into settings, and if I go in here and switch it off, so I'll turn that off, then tap on done to save the changes. And now on my lock screen, if I go into emergency, my medical ID has been removed or disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.